How do you keep a hobby alive on a busy schedule? Today I'll talk about a new project I started this year to help me keep my illustration hobby alive. Hi, I'm Cynthia and this is Cynthia Doodles. I love illustrating cute things, but I didn't illustrate anything at all for a long time. I work as a full-time designer on a company and as a freelance photographer on the weekends. Since I work far from home, I end up having only a few hours free during the week. Without a routine that includes illustration, I completely left it aside and never draw anymore. But this year, I managed to come with an idea that fits in my schedule just fine. On the past few years, I developed a love for the everyday life. The nice little things that happens on a daily basis that most times can just fade among other activities. I enjoy decorating my home to make it cozier and consuming any content that revolves around these mundane details of our lives and make it only ours. So the other day, I saw a video that really caught my attention. It was one of those days that I was just watching random videos on YouTube about illustration. And I saw this one of Mauro Martins, a Brazilian illustrator, and he showed some of his works. There was this illustration project he did when he was living in the US that I really loved. He made a huge visual journal of his time living in there, full of doodles that represented all the things he lived during that time. I already like having a journal. I have my bullet journal that I use to both plan and document my everyday life. So when I saw this project of Mauro Martins, I instantly thought of making my own version of it. Making doodles of those little things that happen each day. A project to last the whole year. So I grabbed my journal and picked one thing at a day to start making my doodles. I did at once all the doodles from the days before this new project started, and now I keep doing them once a day. But this is it. Doodling a small thing a day, it's really helping me to keep me drawing at least that tiny doodle a day. And they look really cute together. I started using Affinity Designer too. So each day, I create a new layer and name it with the day, so I can remember later what memory that doodle represents. Besides making me illustrate every day, this project is really helping me to be more present on my day. Looking for those nice little things that happen along the way so I can doodle them. Tell me in the comments if you have other practices to help you keep drawing. I'm posting on my Instagram page some doodles and some other illustrations that I've been doing. So if you want to see some of them, follow me there. Thanks for watching. See you next time.